Hey you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, we are going to be doing an emerald green, black, and gold retirement party. And so I'm super excited with the way that it turned out. We used primarily black linen, and the sun is up right now, so you can't really see the emerald green in the backdrop, but it is absolutely stunning. When you are designing for a retirement party, you want to do something that is elegant, something that is simple, something that is refined, and crystals and candelabras is a great way to bring that look together. And so I want to show you guys how we designed this particular space using crystal candelabras. I did an entire Amazon live on the importance of using candelabras, so definitely check that out. And without any further ado, let's hop into today's design. Now, today I'm excited to take you all behind the scenes of a stunning retirement celebration that I designed. But here's the twist. These elegant luxe ideas just aren't for retirement parties. With graduation season being right around the corner, many of these design elements can be easily reimagined to celebrate your graduate's big day. So the first thing that we're going to do is I like to assemble new centerpieces prior to getting on site at the venue, because I don't want that to be my first time having to assemble that centerpiece. So this 10-arm candelabra, I actually purchased these before, but I got a new one because I broke one of the bases on the older one, and I wanted to take you all through the process of assembling them. Now, one of the major things that I really want to point out here is that keep the original boxes and all of the styrofoam that comes with these pieces. What it's going to allow you to do is to be able to preserve the lifespan of these gorgeous centerpieces, and it's going to make transporting them and storing them a lot easier. Now, there is no rhyme or reason as to why I put the different arms of the candelabras in different places, but here's just kind of the recipe that I used. On the outside, I used the medium-sized centerpieces. On the front parts, I used the lower sizes, and then in the very middle, I like to use the taller ones. Now, the reason I do that is simply because I want everyone to be able to experience the same view around the entire table. And that was the only way that I could figure out how to do it that way. But really, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You just want to be very careful with screwing them in, very gentle, because you are dealing with glass and mirror. But let me tell you, the elegance and the opulence that this centerpiece offers is unmatched. Now that the candelabras are all in place, here is how the room turned out. Now, this design was centered around an elegant emerald green and black color palette with hints of gold. Now, this symbolizes boldness, timelessness, and richness. These velvet linens paired with the sophisticated chargers and candelabras really elevated the look and feel of this room. I absolutely love the bud vases and the floating candles that just added a softness and a charm that is completely unexplainable right now by me. The single candelabras, I also got those at eFavor Mart, and they were perfect in this space, along with the crystal compote bowls. You guys know how much I love them. And once you set the table with this entire look, it is absolutely stunning. Now think about it. Just like someone retires from a long, fruitful career, graduation is a symbolic retirement from student life. So whether you're planning a retirement party or a graduation bash, you can use these same luxe but approachable setup tips to celebrate life's next chapter. 10-arm glass crystal candelabras made a stunning centerpiece, and they added sparkle, they added height, and they added drama to the room. And who doesn't love a good dessert table? We featured custom treats that not only tasted good, but also doubled as decor. We even brought in a 360 booth to place in front of this gorgeous retirement backdrop because we wanted to be able to capture the memories and the party in style. This helped to keep the guests entertained, and it also gave a fabulous photo op. People were standing in front of this backdrop along with the balloon backdrop that had her retirement on it all night long, and there were so many beautiful memories captured throughout the night. You can also add other little touching pieces like these gorgeous table numbers, the bud vases. You guys know I'm always featuring them on my Amazon Live, and it turned out fabulous. Now let's give the backdrop a moment. Oh my goodness, the drama draping, but we did it lower this time. It turned out so beautiful, and after the sun set, you guys, that emerald green popped behind the black and gold drapes. This was a really beautiful drape, and when I tell you, it definitely elevated the space and just made it added to the beauty that already existed in the space. And so here is what the room looked like after the sun had set and all of the candles were lit. It was absolutely gorgeous. My client was so pleased with the way that everything turned out. Everyone had a great time. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your favorite aspect of the design down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to today's video. And I also have a membership only channel where I go behind the scenes and show you guys things like how to do the drama draping, how to do smaller centerpieces, different things like that. So if you would like to become a member of the Lux for Less family, all you have to do is click on that subscribe button and pick what plan you would like to be a part of. It's really simple. You can start and finish anytime you get ready. So don't feel obligated to do it. But if you want like that extra, behind the scene type of deal, this is definitely the plan for you. So pick what plan works best for you. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.